So far we have installed Apache Spark on Ubuntu that is running on Azure Virtual Machine in the cloud. In this tutorial we are going to install and integrate Apache Zeppelin with Apache Spark. Apache Zeppelin is a web-based notebook that enables data-driven interactive data analytics and collaborative documents with SQL, Scala and more. This is open source tool and you can download full and latest version from official website. I will recommend downloading binary package with all interpreters. After downloading the compressed file, unzip it. Move unzipped content to Apache Zeppelin directory. Go to the Zeppelin directory. Inside that, go to the conf, which is the configuration directory. Here you will find two template files, zeppelin-env.sh-template, which is Zeppelin environment file, and the other one is zeppelin-site.xml-template, which is site configuration files. You can move or copy. Here we are moving these two files to new extension by removing -template from the extension. Now make sure Java is present and installed inside user, inside lib, inside JVM directory. Here we have Java 8 installed. Go back to Zeppelin configuration directory. Open Zeppelin environment file to edit it by using nano command. After the last line of file, add two lines, one for Java home and one for Spark home. Make sure you are providing right location and there is no extra space in path specification. Now go to the Zeppelin directory and start Zeppelin daemon by providing the start as an argument. When you wish to stop it, you can pass stop in the argument in the same command. While executing this daemon, make sure you are in Zeppelin directory. Find and copy public IP address of the running virtual machine from Azure portal and add :8080 in the combined address. That is, the public IP address :8080 will be the full address to access the Zeppelin notebook. By default, Zeppelin runs on port 8080. If you wish, you can change it by editing Zeppelin-site.xml file that is present in Zeppelin/conf, which is the configuration directory. If port 8080 is not open, then go to Azure portal and open network security group of that virtual machine and add new inbound security rule with the port number 8080. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Apache Zeppelin and integrated it with Spark.